Hey guys, so today I am going to be filming another surprise unboxing haul video kind of thing. I've seen a lot of these videos going around where they're like, I spent, for example, £300 on a certain clothing website, and I really wanted to film one of them, but I thought it would be more fun if I do it as a surprise haul because, as you guys know, I love filming them. I do them quite a lot. So instead of me choosing £300 worth of clothes on MISSGUIDED, have I said that's what I'm doing? It's MISSGUIDED. I decided to get Alex to choose it for me. For those of you that don't know, Alex is my boyfriend. And yeah, I got him to spend £300 of my money. I didn't make him spend his money. We're just gonna unbox it together, and I'm also gonna insert a try on clip after each item. And hopefully Alex will be back by then so he can be in the try on clips. Not trying them on. I will try them on, but he can be there to get his reaction. Tell you what, it is a bloody big MISSGUIDED bag. Like, oh, that is big. You clearly get a lot for 300 quid. I mean, I'd hope so. It's £300, jeez. I have no idea what this is. Wait a minute. It's a dress. I never wear dresses. Okay, I can see already that he's definitely gone for things I wouldn't normally wear. Okay, so it's in this like black and white pattern material, but then it's got this like lello. It's got this yellow check on top of it, like a really, get out of the way, this like thin yellow checkered thing going on, and it's got a bit of a high neck. It's got long sleeves, and it looks like it's quite a like, maybe quite a tight fitted dress. I'm excited to try it on. It's not too bad actually, but definitely not my style at all. Guys, I can't get this on. This is not a good start, but I can't get the dress on. It's a shame. I really wanted to see what it looked like. I've got it over my head, but I can't get my arms in. It's just too small. But Alex has joined us now, by the way. He's gonna
hi.
He's gonna sit there for the try on to see what masterpieces he has created. Well, not that you made the clothes,
no,
but you chose them. So
yeah.
We shall continue. Let's hope that this gets better.
Yeah.
Okay, this is more me. It looks like a pair of black jeans, which basically all I live in. All I wear is black skinny jeans, trainers, a t-shirt or like a sweatshirt. These feel like really nice jeans. They feel like really nice quality, and they're black skinnies, as you can see. They've got a really big high waist, like damn, that's where the fanny bit is, and then whoosh, I'll be going up to my boobs, won't it? They look really high-waisted. We'll have to see what they look like on. And they've also got some little like slits in the knees, some little rips. These are so similar to the jeans that I got Alex in the video we filmed on his channel, because I recently did one where I chose his like ASOS shop. If you didn't know, Alex has a channel now. I'll leave it links below in case you want to go and watch the video. But these are so similar, but I really like them. I'm really excited to try them on. Hopefully they fit. Okay, Alex will be back any second, but I just thought I'd quickly show you guys the jeans because they're not really that exciting. And, well actually, I say they're not exciting. These are probably the best jeans like ever. I mean, they're on a par with my Topshop Joni jeans. Like honestly, they remind me a lot of them, and they fit so well. They're just the perfect fit and the perfect length. The only slight thing is that the rips are a little bit high up on me, like they're not actually on my knees, but I don't think it matters. I'm keeping them anyway because they are so comfy and bloody love them. Okay, so this is definitely looking like my sort of thing. It looks like a little slogan t-shirt. So this is pretty basic. It's just like a plain white t-shirt, and then in this red text it says sassy, which I mean, I'm guessing he's trying to tell me I'm sassy. I'm not. It's quite a long length t-shirt actually. I tend to go for like slightly more, not cropped, but like shorter ones because I am quite short. But I think it will look quite nice tucked into stuff, or like if you could you tie it up or something? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I quite like that. So this is the t-shirt. I really like it. I think it looks really cool. I've tried to tie it, but look at that. But you get the gist of it, and I really like it. It's a really comfy t-shirt as well, so definitely gets one of these.
Oh, excellent. Oh.
Zip front crop top. They smell like something, like a food, but I don't know what food. A nice food. This is the interesting smelling top. It's like in this nice ribbed material, which I quite like. It's grey, which I definitely like. I wear a lot of grey clothes, and it's cropped, but these tags do get in the way. They're so big, but I mean, they are very attractive. And a little zipper. I'm assuming you take this thing off. Wait a minute. There we go. Oh, it's like a little circle zip. Yeah, I kind of like it. I really like this top. I think it's really nice. I think it fits really nice. I like that it's got the little zippy detail, and thumbs up. What do you think?
It's grey.
Well done, but do you like it?
Yeah, no, of course I like it, yeah.
So this next item looks like, yeah, it's definitely a shirt. I was going to say it looks like a shirt, because it is a shirt. And it's in this like peachy, pinky colour. I quite like the colour, so have a look. It looks like there's a lot of material in there, like, bloody Nora, that is a lot of material. Oh, it's huge. I mean, I'm a small person. That is a really big shirt. It's almost more like a jacket than a shirt. It's like super thick. Definitely feels like good quality. You've got like, are they poppers? Oh, you got some poppers, nice. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. I just think that's gonna be way too big for me. Okay, so is this how you envisioned? Is that right? Envisaged? Is this how you thought this would look?
Yeah, kind of. I don't know if I'm crazy about the collar.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's just a normal collar, I thought. The thing I'm not crazy about is that it's a whopper.
It's quite like, I think that's cool though.
Yeah?
Because like, yeah, like...
The like distressed bit.
Yeah.
I think it's cool. I just don't know if it's a bit too big for me, but I need to decide.
Right.
There's many decisions that need to be made in this video. Oh my god, that is so cropped. If you didn't know, Misguided has like a Barbie section, and I have one of the t-shirts and I do really like it. I have a hair in my eye. I wear it quite a lot. I really like my little Barbie t-shirt, so I'm guessing that's why he picked this one up. It's a Barbie sweatshirt, but geez, that is cropped. I mean, I suppose it could look cute. It's quite nice because it's got the like ruched bit at the bottom, and you've got some nice sleeves. It feels like really good quality. That feels like a super soft, oh no, it's not fleecy lined though. I mean, it's not soft on the inside, but the outside feels really soft. So this is the sweatshirt, obviously. Why do I say that at the start of every one? Obviously, you can see that. I think it's just a little bit too cropped for me.
Yeah, you're missing half your jumper there.
Yeah. Did you realise when you...
I didn't realise it was that cropped.
But it's cute, but it's just not really for me. I think this is like a blazer. It is. Prince of Wales blazer. Does this make me like royalty? Why is it called that? Okay, so I think I actually have something really similar to this that I got from Primark a little while ago, but I never wear it, so I can see why he wouldn't have remembered. But it's like this blazer. You've kind of got a, is it like a checkered print? Yeah, it's a sort of like grey, black checkered print. It doesn't feel like very nice quality. That's all I'm thinking. It feels really like, but I do really like it. Like blazers like this can look so cool, and yeah, it's got like these ruched sleeves that just look a bit messy. Yeah, I'm not sure about this one. So this is the blazer. I'm not sure. I don't know. I don't think I like the arms. They're really like ruched and they just look a bit messy. They're kind of like annoying me because they don't look straight, but at the same time I kind of like it. But it is very similar to something I've already got, so I need to decide which one I prefer, I think.
Okay.
But
it's alright.
yeah?
Yeah, I'm not like, wow.
Yeah, no, it's not like mind-blowing. Ooh. There is fluff. That is so cute. Oh my goodness. So it's a red cropped t-shirt and it says love on it in this like fluffy pink material. Like it's actually fluffy. I love fluffy things. They're so cute, and yeah, I do quite like a little t-shirt like this, a little cropped t-shirt. So this one definitely gets a thumbs up. I'm really excited to try it on. So this is the t-shirt. I really, really like it. It could do with a bit of an iron, but I just love it. Feel it.
You love it, do you?
Oh, I love it. Yeah, that's so funny. Stroke my boobs. They're soft. Is that why you chose it? No, it probably will make an absolute mess everywhere.
Dreadful.
I'm molting already. Do you like it though?
I do like it.
It's cool.
Yeah.
A red t-shirt's pretty cool, especially when it has fluff on it. So nice one. Oh my god, it's so long. T-shirt dress. Oh. See, I actually do quite like t-shirt dresses. Like if I was gonna wear a dress, I'd probably want like a t-shirt dress because it's really cash and stuff like that. So I feel like something like this I probably might wear in the summer, and I actually really like this print. It's like a really dark purple colour. I don't think I've got any tops like this. So it's a really nice colour, and it's got a slight like distressed kind of look to it, and it's just like super long. So at first I was like, that is a bit long for a t-shirt, but it is a t-shirt dress. So yeah, I think that's actually really cute. So this is the t-shirt dress. I actually really like it and it fits really well. I just can't believe that a dress is fitting me. They normally go down to my ankles because I'm so short,
Yeah.
but this is like the perfect length and it feels really comfy and I just like it. What do you think?
Yeah, I mean, it looks like a t-shirt.
It does, yes. A long one though. A long t-shirt. So this... Oh, it's a bodysuit. What is going on? It's a bodysuit. It must be a little off the shoulder one. I was like, This looks like a big gaping neck hole. No one's head is that large, but it's because it is like an off the shoulder thing, and then these are the little armholes. Okay, I'm getting it now. Here's your little bodysuit bit. Oh, it's a bit stretchy down there. It's in that kind of like scuba-y material, and it's white, or is it off-white? A whitey like cream colour. I think this could actually, I think this could actually look really cute. No, I really like that. Okay, so looks-wise, what do you think of this one? Because I feel like I can see why you went for it. It would be nice, but it looks a bit... What do you think?
Do you know what? That's exactly what I was going to say. It looks
my goodness.
a bit...
Well, there we go then. That's both of us. Imagine trying to live life in this. You'd just be like, the restriction.
You feel like you can't...
Yeah, I feel like I can't move properly, but it looks cute. So I'm like, That is the tiniest skirt. I mean, on me, it probably will be okay because I am really short, so it might actually be all right. And it is in the petite section, so that's why it's so short. I never wear skirts, like never ever. This is like a little denim skirt. I don't think I've owned something like this since I was a little girl, like when I was way younger. It's a little mini skirt, definitely very little. And then you've got a zip here, obviously, to help you get in and out. I'm assuming that's why it's there. I can't think why else. Yeah, I mean, as far as skirts go, it is very cute, but I doubt I'd wear it, honestly. It's not my kind of thing. So this is the skirt. I want to know what made you pick a skirt when I haven't worn a skirt since I was like 10.
Because you never wear skirts.
You wanted to see what I look like.
Well, yeah, but I don't know, it'd be different.
I like it. I actually quite like how it looks, like with this t-shirt, but
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to take it back because it's too big around the waist.
It's too big, is it?
I can get hands in there, I can get all sorts.
Hey, great.
I'm having to like hold it at the back so that it's not too big, and it's also a little bit too short, I think. You did good. It's a shame it doesn't fit, to be honest. Everything is so confusing when you first get it out. I think this is another bodysuit. Oh, it's like a high-necked high-necked bodysuit, and it's got like a bit of a roll neck going on there. You've got some long sleeves. It's grey, which is always a bonus. So yeah, I think that's quite cute. Pretty basic, but it's definitely something that I would wear. So I really like this. Another one that smells a bit funny. Why does this one smell a little like cigarettes? It actually does a little bit. So this is the bodysuit, and I really, really like it. It fits really nice. It's pretty simple, so there's not really much to say, but it's a good one, isn't it?
I would say it suits your body.
Oh, you are a jokester. Shame it smells like fags.
Why?
I don't know. It wasn't me. This looks like a jacket. Is that a leather jacket? Oh my god. I'm gonna be so cool. I used to have a leather jacket when I was, I think it was when I was like 19, 20 maybe. So, you know, a good 4 years ago. They just make you look cool, don't they? You whack on a leather jacket and your outfit just instantly looks cool. So yeah, this is a sort of slightly cropped one, I'd say. And it's got some buttons, some sleeves. It's leather, obviously like faux leather. It's definitely not real. I feel like this could actually look quite nice. I'm excited to see. I don't know what I think about it. What do you think?
I don't know. I thought it'd be interesting to see.
I feel like it's too cropped. Like I'd prefer it if it was a little bit longer maybe. And it's just a little bit small, it kind of feels. I'm not sure. But it has made me kind of want a leather jacket now, but I don't think it'll be this one. It's another dress. A white dress. I mean, what are you doing, mate? Oh my goodness. This is like fancy. This looks like a going out dress, which I don't do. I don't go out. I don't really leave the house, if I'm honest. I don't think I would ever have an occasion for something like this, but I'm so excited to see what I look like in it. The top bit's kind of got this like wrap-ish bit. You've got some straps, and then it goes down like this. I'd say it's not like a short dress. It's probably like a sort of just above your knee length, I think. Although on me, it'll probably go down to my bloody ankles, but... Oh, and the bottom's got like a sort of wrappy bit as well. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Oh, it's also in a scuba material. Yeah, I'm really excited to try this on. I would never normally wear something like this, so very intrigued to see what I look like. Okay, so this is what the dress looks like on. I actually really, really like it, but I feel like I'll never wear this. Like, it's just not the sort of thing that I would ever wear because I don't go out to things like this, but it fits so well. It's a really nice fit.
It was spot on, isn't it?
Dresses don't normally fit me, but this fits really nice. Yeah, I actually really like this, so thumbs up.
Nice one.
And yeah, that is everything that Alex bought for me from Misguided. That is almost £300 worth of clothes, and I feel like you get a goddamn lot of stuff. A hell of a lot of stuff. I think that's really good actually for £300. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do some more videos like this, I need to do another one where I get you guys to choose my clothes because they are my absolute faves. Give it a thumbs up if you want me to do another one of them soon, and I definitely will. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Goodbye.